Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I created my version of a Valentine's Day look. I don't really wear pink, so I decided to go for purple since I really love wearing purple and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to start by priming my lid, and the primer that I'm going to be using is by Too Faced and it's the Shadow Insurance, and I'm applying this all over my lid with the Morphe R32 brush. Now I'm going to set the primer and I'm going to be applying Desert Sand with the Morphe R40, and I'm applying this eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Next, with the Morphe R38 in the color Blazing, I'm going to be applying this on the crease, and this is going to work as my transition shade. Then with the Morphe R39, I'm going to be applying Saffron on the actual crease. I'm going to try to avoid covering up Blazing, and I'm going to basically concentrate this color mainly on the crease where I feel my socket at. Next, I'll be adding a little bit more Blazing with the Morphe R38 brush. I felt that I lost a little bit of the orange transition shade when I applied Saffron, so I decided to just apply a little bit more. Next, with the Morphe R35, I'll be adding a purple shade. This is Amethyst, and I'll be concentrating this on the lid and also on the corners of the eyes. This color isn't that pigmented, but I didn't mind it because I wasn't going to be using this as the main lid color, so I decided to just apply this on the outer parts of the eye. Now for the center of my lid, I'm applying the color Twilight with the Morphe R43, and I'm applying this color dry. I didn't wet it, and I love how pigmented it shows up, and I'm basically just concentrating this shade on the center, and I'm tapping very lightly because I find that it's easier to blend it out than actually pressing it harder. And then I'll be going back with the Morphe R35 and Amethyst, and I'll be blending out the parts where Twilight meets with that shade. Next, I apply my lashes. The lashes I went with are by Morphe, and these are Hollywood Hills. I really love these lashes because they're very comfortable and I like how they are dramatic, and the best thing is that they're $3. So now for my lower lash line, I'll be applying the color Blazing with the Morphe R43, which is a pencil brush. Then with the Morphe R45, I'll be applying Saffron as close as I can to my lower lash line. That's why I decided to go with this tiny brush. And then for my tear duct highlight, I'm using the same brush, the R45, and I'm using the shade Celestial. So this completes my look. I apply mascara to my bottom lashes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want more tutorials for Valentine's Day, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video.